Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Today I am Rekha Praveen Kumar, having 10 plus years of experience into IT industry, all that is with the quality and testing. Over the 10 plus years of experience, I have spent and worked for the various domains like e-commerce, telecom, and the banking domain. And today I am over here to share you the practical knowledge on the testing and the importance of testing. Today we are here to learn why do we need testing and what is the importance of testing. So in my view, testing is not only to the identifying the bug, but or discovering the bugs or defects, but it matters a lot delivering the product to the customer. So today I am going to show you one example. Why do we need testing? What is the importance of testing? Why do we test and where do we test? What do we test? So basically, I'll be giving you one example where we have an one web application. For example, we take it as an e-commerce website. So what are all the applications comes under e-commerce website? Is like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, all these comes under the e-commerce website. And when it comes to the banking sector and banking domains, we do have an web applications as well the mobile applications. In mobile applications, we'll be downloading the mobile applications from Play Store, so that supports the mobile application. But when it comes to the web application, when we take a banking domain example, for example, we have an YONO SB application which supports for both the mobile and the web application. So you want to log in into the web application as a SB account holder. So at that point of time, when you are using a web application, you will be logging via online SBI. But when you want to log in into the YONO SBI application, you will be downloading it from the Play Store and you will be logging it with your own credentials. So our testing starts from the logging in, registering into the application. It might be the both mobile application as well web application. So here, why do we need testing? For example, like we have an YONO SBI application. So without registering, you cannot log into the application being it as a SBI account holder, because you need to register into the YONO SBI by providing your mobile number or email. So where you will be providing your personal details and you will be registering that. When you are registering, you will get an OTP to your registered mobile number or to the mail. So you will be entering that 6-digit or 9-digit OTP and you will be registering. Post registering, this is the one scenario. So in testing, we will be having different scenarios where we will be testing. Register itself is one scenario and login is considered as another scenario. So once after you registered, you will be an authenticated user where you will be having all the access to log into the YONO SBI application, where now we are speaking about the mobile YONO SBI application, not the online SBI application. There is a difference in accessing web application as well the YONO SBI application, where it supports, where the compatibility is with the mobile device. So when you post registering to the mobile application, you will be logging now, and now you as a user, as a end user, assume that you are an account holder, you want to check the history of your transactions. Then you will be going into the application where you will be checking the application like for past 6 months. Then you will get the date of the history of all your transaction from past 6 months. So that's how we will be testing. For example, now let's consider that we need to discover a bug or identify a bug in the YONO SBI application. So at this point of time, what you will do as an authenticated user, you have logged in and you want to go to the history of the transaction. Then you will be clicking on that specific option. Now past 6 months, you have from drop down, you have selected that you need a past 6 months transaction over here. When you opted from drop down, when you click that past 6 months transaction over here, you are not getting the 6 months transaction. You are able to fetch only the past 3 months of transactions despite of selecting the 6 months of option in the drop down. Now we will be considering that this is a bug. So this is a simple example I am giving you in this demo, that despite of getting transaction, you are getting only 3 months of transaction, then we'll be considering that there is a bug in the YONO SBI application. Again, I am repeating, we are dealing with the mobile application YONO SBI. It might be any application, it might be web application, desktop application, or mobile application. So, as a tester, you need to identify the bugs in the application, and you need to resolve the bug, and you need to fix the bug, and then deliver a quality product to the customer. Now, who is the customer? So all of you will be having a doubt that who is a customer, who is a client, and who are the third party, who are the software testers, developers. All these doubts may arise you being a freshers or you don't have a knowledge on the testing. So today we are here to clearly explain any member. You might be a tester or developer, or you are a non-IT candidate. So we are here to let you know the importance of testing. Why do we need to test? Why do we need to deliver the quality product to the customer? For example, today we have you are setting an business. For example, say like your cloud kitchen. You are setting a cloud kitchen, right? So in the cloud, when you are setting a cloud kitchen, you need some application of your own where you need to expand your business. So if you don't have an application, what will happen? You cannot outrage or you cannot promote your business. Your business will not be outraged simply by the mouth publicity. Mouth publicity can help you to some extent, but when you have your own application and when you integrate your own cloud cooking business into the Swiggy application, so end users come and click on your cooking website and they will try to order the food whichever they like. So now here customer is one who is giving us the project, and who we as a software testers or developers, we are the IT people, will be working on that specific application given by the customer, and we'll be finding the defects or we'll be discovering the defects to deliver the quality product. Now assume that when you have a one business of cloud cooking, let us say that there is an bug that when I click on the biryani, like I'm able to order the tiffins. So when I click on the biryani, it's fetching out me all the items of the tiffins despite of despite of showing the biryani and its cost. Now and again assume that you have a biryani option, you click it, but it's not showing the price of it. So this will frustrate the end user who is using your cloud kitchen application or cloud cooking application. So at this point of time, like as a IT members, as a software tester, we should be responsible of identifying this bug and we have to resolve that. When we resolve that, all the prices of biryani will be shown, and when we click on the biryani, instead of showing the list of items of the tiffins, it will show only the biryani items, and user will not frustrate, and end user is not frustrated, and he will happily go and order the specific food. So this is how as a testers we should make sure of identifying or discovering the defects and deliver the quality product to the customer. So if you want to promote even your business, your application should be bug free and it's a quality product and it should be maintainable. As long as there are no bugs in the application will be maintainable and users will be coming and reaching out to your application, the cloud kitchen application. So this is how we'll be dealing with the testing. This is why testing is important. If there is a bug, there will be no reach to your application as well. So this is a simple example. Going forward, we'll be learning the more into depth concepts of and testing and fundamentals of the testing. All these things will be learning, and here from Tech Job Solutions, we are here to provide you an important real world scenarios and career guidance and the interview tips. So this will help you to learn testing. So testing is, for example, now we are in a digital era and AI is evolving day by day. So this AI will not take off the testing jobs. This is the fact we need to accept. But it might reduce the number of testers in the team, but testing will not be removed, completely removed. The QA testers will be always having an importance in the IT industry. But as a testers, we need to align with the AI tools where we can integrate our AI knowledge into the testing, and we can make the process of testing at very ease. So this is the one tip we need to learn, and we need to excel in the testing. So this makes us to survive in the IT industries, and accept the fact that AI is evolving day by day. So thanks for joining.